Hi, I'm Silas Cunningham.
Hi, I'm Libby Cunningham.
And this is our farm. We have goats and sheep. This is Doug that I'm holding. Rubber is the sheep, and that's Georgia. She's 6 foot.
Yeah.
And how often do you have to care for your animals?
We feed and water you twice a day.
Could you show us what you do?
Come on. Got done milking out, and Libby,
These are pine chickens.
And what are you going to do with them?
we're going to spread them out. So now we need to open them up. No, Doug, you aren't helping.
You're not helping at all.
By the way, Doug's is the only boy animal down here.
And now we're gonna kick it. Do it, Sasha. No, dog, not yet.
Don't eat him, boy. This is Doug. He's a boar goat. He's also a meat breed goat.
He is a leather. Which means he is a boy.
This is Barbara. She's a New Hampshire mix, and also she was born on my birthday. I'm bracing her right now. She won second place in 4-H when I showed her.
She is a ewe, which means a girl. Silas, don't do that.
And Silas, what are you doing with her?
I'm bracing her.
What's that mean?
It means that basically when her legs are square, which means they're aligned both, and I'm pushing, and she's pushing into me, and I'm pushing into her, that's bracing, and also she's a little fluff ball.
And she's fat. This is Georgia. She's 6. She's our oldest goat, and she is
a Alpine Nubian cross, and she's also taller than my dad on her hind legs.
And what did you do with her at the fair?
We showed her in the pack.
Well, my
show.
brother did.
Yeah, Cruz did. Miss Putnam, you might know Cruz.
And is she a meat breed?
No, she's she used to be a dairy, but she can't produce milk anymore. Okay, so this is our main feed, which is sheep feed that's going to go for all of them. So we get this from Carney's feed mill. You might want to go check them out. They're a pretty cool place. So first we're just going to evenly divide this out like so. I'm trying my best. And this one gets to it.
And what else do you feed them?
We also feed them corn, which we got from Carney's feed mill. Evenly divide this.
And Libby, what do you have?
And then I have alfalfa pellets. This is also from Connie's feed mill.
And why do you have to do the alfalfa?
For our goat dog.
Why does Doug need alfalfa?
Because he can't have a whole lot of grain, he'll get kidney stones. And also this is where we got all the food from in here.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Hi. Oh, guys, get off me. Oh. Ouch.
Put one down. No. There.
And that's how you feed them.
Hey.
Since they are ruminant animals, it's important for them to have hay.
Because the ruminant animals, they have 4 stomachs. Hey guys, this is our creek. It's called Backbone Creek.
Sometimes we catch minnows in here, and also there's water snakes in here that try to eat them in the cage, then the water snakes die from the cage. Hi, we also have layer chickens too, which means they lay eggs. Like this is a Buff Orpingtons, and we have lots more varieties. And also, Libby, let's go see if we have some eggs.
Come on.
That thing right there is called a broody hen.
Yeah.
They're mean, like extremely mean.
Yeah.
Oh, look how many eggs!
Yeah, these are a lot of eggs. One of them might have cracked because
no.
there's yolk on it. Okay, so we are doing the chicken waters right now. And,
we're doing the meat chickens, not the layer hens.
Yeah. So stop.
I'm feeling, okay. So we're just gonna do that. This one isn't quite that dirty. Hey guys, these are our meat chickens. We are gonna show you how to feed and move them because we have to put them on fresh grass 2 to 3 times a day.
Yeah. Okay, ready again?
And also, this is our brother AJ. Yeah, he's feeding me right now. Then he's gonna pull this to move it, this rope here. We're gonna be clapping here in the back so the meat chickens don't get their legs broken.
Yeah, or get their wings broken.
Hey. Maybe, wait.
Thanks for hanging out with us at our farm, and I hope you guys had as much fun as we did.
Cunningham's out.